Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, September 25. Time is around 7:15 GMT and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Owanda platform. So my take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave 3 high here and that we are currently working on a wave 4 down. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I just focus here on this part. So we are doing a corrective move as a wave 4, and I believe this wave 4 is playing out as WXY. So far, we had our wave W here in 3, 1, 2, 3, then a wave X in 3, 1, 2, 3. And so now we are working on the wave Y, which could then be the end of the wave 4. And so this wave Y area, the target becomes the area here that we can find by taking the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, and then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 becomes our target for the wave Y, which could then be the end of the wave 4 in the higher degree. And then from here we can see upside again as a wave 5. So this is the path or this is like my main forecast that we will take out this low here. We already did it in the DAX, we did it in the Dow Jones, so I think also the NASDAQ will follow. And if we do, then this here is the target area. And then the question is like, which kind of path will we follow into this area? I think there are two possibilities here. My favorite one is the WXY pattern. So this wave Y unfolding as a WXY. However, there is also a possibility that it might unfold as an ABC pattern. We can have a closer look at this in the 1 hour. So the WXY, I prefer the WXY because like for an ABC, we need an impulse here. So the wave A is an impulsive structure, should be 5 waves. And this means like if we look at the internals of this wave A, this means this should be a wave 1 as indicated here. But I don't really like this structure as an impulse. We do not end with divergence. So I don't really like this. And then here, okay, this is okay. Like you could say this is your wave 1. This then here is the wave 2. Then this here, the wave 3. So now I'm looking at the internals of this wave 3. But what's still, for this to be a wave A or an impulse, we need a 4 and a 5. So it would mean we really need to take out this low as a wave 5. Then this can be an impulse because so far we only have 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. So we need the 4 and the 5. And if the 4 and the 5 are not coming, then it could be, and this is my primary scenario, that that we actually have a WXY structure, and so that we have our wave W here. So first of all, like this is the wave W in a higher degree, which is finished or close to finish. And that would mean that this wave W looks like another WXY. Like then it really looks like like we are moving in tree, so nice structure, I would say. Like then this wave W is A, B, C, this wave X, A, B, C, and then here the Y leg of the wave W also in three waves. I would count it like this: A, B, C. And so now I think the C, we also had a nice reaction here from the 0.618 FIP extension. So if we take the length of this wave A, the length of this wave B, then the wave C should go into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. And as you can see, we had some reaction to the upside here. And now we have to see if this holds. If it holds, then yeah, I would go for the WXY structure. And then it would mean that if this is our wave W here, so the wave W, then yeah, we should go here into this area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. This here becomes our target. And then, yeah, we should do this as a corrective structure like ABC or something. How this will look, we need a bit more data for this. But yeah, so corrective structure to the upside. That would be my main expectation, actually. Also, the Dow Jones looks ready to do this. Also, the DAX has potential to do this. So my forecast would be that I cannot exclude like one more marginal new low, but yeah, main expectation is that we see some upside. This upside is, in my opinion, not the start of a new like bigger move in the higher degree. No, I think the correction downward is not finished yet, but just some corrective move up before we go further down. And so that would mean that like the NASDAQ reaches this area, gives us a complete correction to the downside. For now, this structure does not really look complete. It would mean that yeah, also the Dow Jones can achieve like a complete correction. The FTSE also needs a move down, and then yeah, also the DAX does not look complete. So yeah, this would be my main. This would be my forecast. Some kind of upside, just to correct this move down here, but not upside in the sense of we start a new bullish move in the higher degree. No, I think the bullish move in the higher degree can only happen once we reach this area, or at least we take out this low here and we get quite close to this area. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.